Hi, hello, welcome back. Welcome if this is your first time. Today we are doing an unboxing. If this is your first time, my name is Rebecca and my dogs are trying to play right here. Okay, go play somewhere else. Why right here? Anyway, my name is Rebecca. I am an artist, and on this channel you will find me expressing myself creatively through makeup. The unboxing we are doing today is Causebox. There are so many things that I love about Causebox. Everything that comes in your box, you know, is sustainable, eco-friendly, supports women, supports local communities, gives back, fair trade, all of that wonderful stuff. So you know everything that you will be using from the box, you can feel good about. Not only that, but all the ingredients that are used in individual products, how things are made, are ethical and organic. If I didn't already say that, I can't remember. The things that come in Causeboxes are mostly home and personal items. You get 5 to 6 items in each box, and everyone gets 1 or 2 things that are the same for everybody. The other items you get to choose between 2 or 3 things. So for this box, everyone got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Face Toner. The things that we could choose from, the first one we got to choose between a wrap, I think it's like a cardigan. Anyway, we got to choose between that and a kettle. The second choices are baking sheets or reusable zip pouches. The third one is the one that everyone got. The fourth group of choices were between body polish, hoop earrings, and coasters. The fifth group of choices were between slouchy socks and a pillowcase. And the last one, we got to choose between a yearly planner or foot masks. While I am all about being comfortable and cozy during winter, and actually all the time now, especially since coronavirus, I don't go anywhere, I would have chosen the sweater cardigan wrap thing, but I didn't really like it, so I chose the kettle. I do not have a kettle. Between the baking sheets and the zip pouches, super convenient, but I kept thinking about what it would be like to clean them, and I just didn't want to do all that. And I need baking sheets anyway, so I got the baking sheets. They are made out of silicone, which I think is pretty interesting. I can't wait to use them. Body polish, hoops, and coasters. The hoops, I do like hoop earrings. I just didn't like these in particular. Also, I didn't want body polish. I feel like body polish is pretty wasteful. You tend to go through a lot of product and you don't get a whole lot of results. For my skin, body polish doesn't really work for me, so I skipped that. So I chose the coasters. Between the socks and pillowcase, that was probably the toughest choice for me because the pillowcase is bamboo and I could definitely use better pillowcases. I like nice pillowcases because you sleep on them every night. So your pillowcases are important. But I chose the socks because I am lacking in really comfy socks. All of the comfy socks that I bought last year were gifts to my mother for Christmas. If you watched the FabFitFun video from back in, I think, November, yes, I did give my mother the socks. Last one, the planner or the foot masks. So I'm a little skeptical about the foot masks thing. I've used a foot mask once before. I think these are the ones that you literally put over your feet. I am not doing face masks, foot masks, hand masks that are disposable anymore. I'm only doing the kind that you put on your face, you put on your hands, because it is really wasteful. I understand that Causebox is all about sustainability and eco-friendly everything, but I don't like throwing things away. So I opted out of the foot masks and I got the planner, which is awfully optimistic of me. In each Causebox comes a postcard that is from the same artist who did the box, which is really nice because if you're not going to reuse the box for something, you can send a postcard to somebody and they can put this on their refrigerator, frame it, because it's really nice. It's basically a piece of art. Okay, what to start with? Let's start with the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. I am having such a hard time saying that. I am very excited about this because I have tried several different products from this brand. This brand makes my favorite face cleanser. It came in a box before. I can't remember which box. It could have come in a Causebox. I don't remember. It is like a whipped creamy face wash. It doesn't foam. And the first few times I used it, I hated it because it didn't lather up. I didn't think it was actually cleaning my face. It says on the bottle itself, melts away makeup. And while it does melt the makeup away, it doesn't actually clean it off your face. I got mad at it and I stopped using it. I revisited it after a while when I started finding out about double cleanses through, I think, James Welsh, probably because he's how I know about everything face skincare wise. Double cleanses. When I am wearing a lot of makeup, I will first use a stronger cleanser, and then once I get all of the makeup off my face, then I will go in with the Skin & Co cleanser to actually clean my face and do something for my skin rather than just taking the makeup off. Since I started doing that, I do that literally every single time I wash my face. If I'm not wearing any makeup, I will just use the Skin & Co cleanser. If I am wearing my makeup, I do the double cleanse. I love ending with that Skin & Co cleanser because it makes my face feel absolutely amazing. So I'm really glad that I got the toner. I've been really curious about toners lately. I've had this moisturizing toner for a while, and I got a BHA toner recently that I started using. I just wonder how different these toners are. So this one says, not your traditional toner. We have designed this toner to cleanse and purify the skin. Formulated with natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary, among many others, we have created a blend to deeply purify the skin while contributing to antiseptic powers to remove dead skin and bacteria and prevent future breakouts, while boosting the skin with extra antioxidants. A toner is an essential part of your beauty routine for healthy, youthful looking skin. It's not your traditional toner, but I really don't even know what traditional toners are compared to what their description just was. Oh, do we have like retail prices in here? Oh yeah, okay. The toner retails for $30. Well, since this is on top of my box, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. These are the coasters. I'm just gonna take out one. And if you really wanna be sustainable and eco-friendly, you can reuse this as a Kleenex. Okay, so I love this. I love everything about it already. It's beautiful. I want to put it on my face. It's this beautiful white marble coaster. Cork on the back. It's beautiful. It has little sparkly quartz speckles in here. Is it quartz or marble? Are they the same thing? Marble. I don't know. Are marble and quartz the same thing? I don't know. I'm not the kind of person to have marble or quartz, but it's pretty cool that I have it now. I also love that it's white, just very clean. This doesn't go with anything in my house. Everything in my house is like second, third, fourth hand, gotten from the thrift store. I don't even need coasters because these surfaces that I have, I don't care if they get rings of condensation on them at all. But maybe someday when I have a nicer house and I have nicer things, I can use these. The 6 coasters are $42 and they are made in Africa with a 60% female workforce. Let's talk about these socks. Maggie's Organic Slouchy Socks. I will put these on. I want to put them on right now, but I'll wait. So I'm reading the description in the magazine here, and it says, you've probably heard of fair trade, but Maggie's Organics takes it to a whole new level. But it doesn't really say how. I feel like the next level of fair trade would be comparable to fair trade, but it just talks about them being cotton and they hug your feet and they're elastic. I don't know what they meant by that, but I think, the reason why this is included in the Causebox is because they're organic and fair trade. And those socks retail for $25, which I think is expensive for socks, but it's organic and fair trade. So, baking mats. The baking mats are $18, which I think is a very low price. They're food grade BPA free silicone, which is important. It says it saves an average of 18 rolls of baking paper a year, which is great. I'm trying to think about baking and what you use when you bake. It's been so long for me. I have just been baking on aluminum foil. So this is the baking sheet. It's very cute. I have a feeling that I have some cutting boards that have come from this same company because the color and the logo are very, very similar to these plastic cutting boards that I have. The 2 baking mats that come in this box are that nice green color and this really nice like powdery blue color. So these guys. Pretty. I think these colors are beautiful. You could design your whole kitchen based off of these colors and it would be stunning. Activated Co. baking sheets. I already said they retail for $18. We have this planner. It's made by Idlewild Company. I feel so conflicted about this planner. Typically, I love planners. I buy them every year. I love planners. I love writing everything out. I love planning for things. I just feel like I can't plan for anything right now, like in any way whatsoever, but I'll be optimistic and try. I did go ahead and take this out of the plastic earlier just because I wanted to take a peek before I did this video so I could talk about it. The other things were pretty self-explanatory. I knew what was in all that stuff. But I wanted to take a look at the planner and see what's in here. It's really nice. The things that I really, really like about this planner are very, very detailed things. Pepper, stop. Are you grilling it? My dog is down here growling at his reflection in the mirror. Because I put the mirror on the floor because I needed space for this. He's growling at himself in the mirror. Yeah, the little things in this planner are what I really love. They have a list of holidays in 2021. The holidays that they have included here are not only the regular holidays we all as a country celebrate. New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all the basics. But they also included Juneteenth and Indigenous Peoples Day. And that just makes this whole planner worth it to me. I love that. They do have some inspirational quotes like, let's see, beginning of every month. Let me find, we'll just read January because it's January now. So January's quote is, "Success is getting what you want, happiness is wanting what you get." And that was Ingrid Bergman. I'm not really big on quotes. They don't really get to me. I'm sure that they will for some people. I do like beginning of every month. On the other side, it has top 3 action items, just so you don't forget. You write them down, top 3, which also makes you really, really think, what are the most important things? So the 3 most important things I need to do this month. So it's motivating. Something that I thought was gonna be kind of lame were these stickers. I'm not big on stickers, but I went ahead and used a couple already. The 2 most important people in my life have birthdays in December, so I went ahead and put them in there. The other stickers, I don't even know what useful stickers I would want. Like I said, I can't plan for anything right now. So it's not like I want more vacation stickers in here or whatever, or girls' night stickers or concert. I can't plan for any of that right now. But I am happy to have this just in case things turn around. Come summer, we can all get vaccinated and maybe halfway through the year I can start using this. The planner is $32. The last thing in my box is the biggest thing in my box. Whoop, here we go. It is the kettle. I'm just gonna do a little 360 here. A little wobbly. I'm just gonna read this. By employing artisans and cooperatives, we aim to break the cycle of poverty and create sustainable job opportunities. In merging beautiful traditions and methodologies with our contemporary style, we hope to create unique goods that inspire feelings of nostalgia and wanderlust, and tell a story of rare talent and beauty from afar. What a description. This is so carefully wrapped. This impresses me because obviously a person took the time to do this. I will say there are few parts on here that look like they were sticky, and like there's some tissue that's still sticking to some places, but a quick wash will fix that. This is a very, very cute teapot. It is very lightweight. I'm used to teapots being heavy and thick. This is very thin. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I've never owned a teapot. I'm a coffee person myself. I do love tea. French press, anything that's coffee related, I have it, but not a tea kettle. So I wonder how hot this is gonna get because this is so thin, and I wonder how the heat is going to conduct through the metal. The tea kettle is $98. You are literally paying for someone to handcraft your kettle. $98 is worth it. So that's our Causebox. I think this comes 4 times a year. I think it's seasonally. So if you want handcrafted, eco-friendly, sustainable, organic things, surprises that come to your house 4 times a year, I highly suggest that you sign up for Causebox. I've been happy with everything. The things that come in these boxes are useful. Literally everything that comes in these boxes are incredibly useful. I have been happy with everything that has ever come in those boxes. So if you didn't know anything about Causebox, now you do. If you're interested, go subscribe. They're great. Speaking of subscribing, subscribe to my channel. Keep up with me, click notifications. If you're interested in subscription boxes, unboxing them, reviewing them, trying them out. If you're interested in makeup, skincare, subscribe, notifications, and keep up with me. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.